So a couple of days ago, I came across this Anakin Skywalker edit, and please forgive me if I botch some names up. I'm not a Star Wars fan, but I know who Darth Vader is. Like, who doesn't, right? I came across this edit of him, laughing with his wife, right? They were laughing in the field, and then this rock music comes in of him changing into Darth Vader, and then there was something written rage. And like, I'll just play the edit for you to see for yourself. As I was repeating that edit, watching it over and over again, I whispered the words to myself: Lord, let it burn me. Let it consume me. Let it destroy me. Let it destroy every ounce of hate, every ounce of sin within me. And let me be born from the ashes. Let me rise from the ashes as anew. Let me rise as the man that I want to become. I said those words to myself. I said that I want to be consumed by my passion for leaving an impact on this world through the videos that I make. And I genuinely think that whatever endeavor you are going through, whatever thing that you are giving yourself to, whether it is your business, whether it is your career, whether it is your studies, whether it is your content creation journey, let it consume you. Let it change you. Let it burn you. Let it put you to ashes, the version that you are now. Let it make you anew. Dude, this path that you are on should be something that should change the way you see your life, the way you see the lives of others. Because if it doesn't change you, if it doesn't help you achieve your goal, if it does not leave some type of impact on whether it is the people that you work for, whether it is your company, whether it is your peers, whether it is your customers, whether it is your viewers, why should you waste time on it? Like, why should you just, mess around with it? Why aren't you giving it your all? Why isn't it changing your perspective on life? Like, why? Because, my friend, you have been living life on autopilot, consuming the opinions of others. But when it comes to your dream, something that you are sure that will change your life and your family's life and the lives of others, something that you have a burning desire for, you just say, I'll do it later. I will just mess around with it. Like, why isn't it consuming your mind? Why isn't it something that you think about 24/7? Why isn't it something that you're willing to sacrifice the very being that you are, so that you can become the person who can achieve and attain the thing that you want, the reality that you want, that is meant for you? Why aren't you telling yourself when you go to bed that I should have done more when it came to that craft? Like, why? Like, dude, this thing can literally change your life, and you are not letting it consume you. You are not thinking about it as you should. Because in me saying those words, that Lord, I want this thing to burn me, to make me the man that can attain these things, I meant it. And that's when I saw a change in the views. Like, you know how YouTube analytics shows you, like, oh, your views have been down, your channel has been down, your subscribers have been down for the past the past 28 days, right? Like, in every scale, everything was gray. Nothing was green in terms of views, in terms of subscribers, in terms of anything, because I wasn't giving it my all. I wasn't letting it consume me. But the day I decided that let it consume me, that this is the thing that I will spend 80-90% of my brain matter on, that's when I saw everything change. That's when I started seeing people saying that I changed their life to change their behavior. And that should be the same for you. Declare now. Say to yourself now that I want to be consumed by this thing. I want to be the best at this thing. Because the results that you're looking for is in the work, is in the time, is in the mindset. When you adopt and say to yourself, this is my life's work and I'm going to spend a good chunk of my lifetime on this plan. I'm going to spend at least a decade learning this thing and becoming the best at it. Because as Alex Hormozi likes to say, that in our lifetime we can only truly master 3 things. So you need to master at least one thing. Whether it's you becoming an academic, whether it's you knowing the intricacies and the small little details of the industry you're in, whether it's you becoming the best content creator who can express ideas and change the lives of people, whether it's you becoming the best person in that business sector you choose. Let it burn you. Let it consume you. Let it destroy the very being you are now, so that you can be the person who can attain the things that you want in this life. Because, hey, we only have one. So stop messing around and start to take it seriously. Start to take it seriously, my friend. And with that, thank you for watching. I hope I motivated you in some way. I hope I inspired you in some way to take your endeavor, your journey seriously, and start to make a change within your life. Goodbye. Kaizen.